Welcome back. Today it's just me and the baby. David is out having his head examined. No, for real. You can ask him when he comes back. He's literally having his head examined. So it's just me, and we're going to take a look at what we've got going. So let's take a look at the garden. In preparation for the lovely garden that we're going to have, and we just know it, we can feel it in our bones, right, when the rain comes. In preparation for all of that, we know we're going to need some more fertility here, and we need a decent compost pile. And so I just told David the other day, maybe what we need to do, since the ground is so hard, and doing the compost pile with the sticks and it's just not working very easily, and we really should get it going, you know, like a week ago or so. Maybe what we should do is do a compost tea. And if you've seen any of our previous videos from the previous house, we just get a barrel or a trash can and fill it with compost and weeds. And we don't worry about a bubbler. We don't worry about it being anaerobic, because it is going to be anaerobic. We just go with it. So what I have here today is some Gliricidia. Some Gliricidia, and we're going to strip it off and put it in this repurposed garbage can with some water. And in no time at all, it will be a beneficial fertilizer for our garden. So now we've got our Gliricidia in the barrel of water here, and we're going to give it a stir. This will all break down like a tea, really. And it'll be full of bacteria, good bacteria and nutrients. Think of everything good that's in the Gliricidia. This Gliricidia is really nutritious stuff for the garden. I can't remember how or why now. David will have to tell me. But I remember that it is. And all of that nutrition that's in the leaves will go into the water, and in turn will feed our garden. So we're going to put a lid on this, and we're just going to leave it alone. It's just going to be a perpetual thing. And when we need it, it will be here for us. We can add to it as we need to. Let's check the rain barrel while we're here. I'm going to guess, before we even go in there, I'm going to guess that there is no water whatsoever. We've had a little bit of rain, but let's take a look. Yep. No water. And that is because of evaporation. We had very little water in there, and it's all evaporated out. So maybe we'll get a good rain today. We'll see. Look what we have here. The beans are starting to come up. Let's see, there's two there. One more over there. All right. These are the lazy housewife beans. That's great. That's exciting. Very good news. As so often happens, the baby says, we're done. So we'll see you next time. And David should be back. Hopefully they haven't, removed too much of anything vital. And I hope that you guys are able to get out into your garden. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green.